dear subscribers, I hope you're all doing well today. I'm excited to kick off a brand new series where I'll be drawing the maps of the countries you call home. To start, we'll begin with France, followed by Belgium. It's going to be a fun and educational journey as we explore the geography of these beautiful countries together. If you'd like to see your country's map featured in this series, I'd love to hear from you. Just drop a comment with your name and where you're from. I'm really curious to learn more about where my viewers are located. Let's dive right into today's drawing of France. My dear subscribers, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming map drawings. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more, and keep watching. There's so much more to explore together. See you in the next video.